Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we will write a program in Python to input perimeter and breadth of rectangle and print its area. So what we have to do is, first we have to enter the perimeter of rectangle. So we will write here perimeter as variable and we will take the value. So we are taking the integer value, so we will write here int and then input as we are taking input, and then we will write here enter the value of perimeter. Now we have to take the input of breadth. So we will write here breadth equals to int input, enter the value of breadth. So now first we have to find the length. As last we have to find the area. So the formula of area is length into breadth. So we are taking breadth from the user, but we don't know the value of length. So we will find the value of length using the perimeter. So the formula of perimeter is, so I am initiating a multi-line comment here so that I can explain. So the formula of perimeter equals to 2 into L plus P. So we have to find the value of length. So the formula of length is L equals to perimeter upon 2 minus breadth. As the formula of perimeter is 2 into L plus P, so we will take the L here and perimeter upon 2 minus breadth. So this will find the value. So we will write here length equals to perimeter upon 2 minus breadth. So this will find the value of length. So now we have all the values. We have perimeter, length and breadth. So now we can find the value of area. So we will write here area equals to length into breadth. So print here value of area equals to. So now this is the time to run the program. We have to enter the value of perimeter. So I will write here 12 and the value of breadth I will write 3. So the value of area is 9. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.